So guys, what you saw in the picture in the beginning of the video, or the small clip, you're going to see that in real. And this is the same picture live for you. That's a restaurant called Pelican, La Pelican. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this breathtaking? I mean, I'm having a good time making this video because it is so refreshing. And Sharma ji is setting up, and today we are being a little creative. Of course, we should always be creative. And the best part is the pool that you can walk on, but I'm a little scared. Shall I try this? Hopefully, okay. Yeah. Just have a look at it, guys. Wow, look at that white bird flying towards me. Oh, it's gone away. Look at this. Look at the view. Look at the view. Hey guys, welcome back to Fusion by Lucy, and today we are sitting in a different location. Thank you guys for watching our videos. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing to Fusion by Lucy. We really appreciate that. And as promised, today is the day when we are going to discuss a few products which you can do in Senegal. And before that, whoever is watching my channel for the first time, do like, share and subscribe Fusion by Lucy. And today Sharma ji is going to do the maximum talking, okay, because he's been handling products, but I will also interfere wherever I can, because no, I'll interfere because I have to interfere with him behind the scenes when we are discussing. Okay, who'll discuss which product? He'll say, I know the product, I'll discuss it. So I have to interfere with him, not contribute. So guys, the first product that we thought really makes sense and has big opportunity in Senegal, it is LED bulbs.
Hi, good morning all. Namaskar. LED bulbs, because I'll tell you, I give you my personal experience. Whenever I go to any shop to buy LED bulbs, there are only two type of bulbs available here. The one is the Chinese made bulb, LED bulb, which is like costing like 500 francs, which is 60 rupees in Indian rupees, and that has no guarantee.
दिखाओ.
Thanks a lot. So guys, the product we are talking today is about LED bulbs. I just went to the shop to buy one LED bulb so that I can show you. It's not a LED exactly. It's a kind of I don't know what you call it, but this kind of old kind of LEDs. Before time, this kind of used to come. Now we have the better one, the LED one. But this is the Chinese product which I'm talking about. This has no warranty. You put it in your house, in one day it can fuse, right? You see the branding here, there is no brand, there is no company name, nothing written here. And this is for 500 francs, which is like 60 rupees in Indian rupees. And you see the product made in China. And as you know, Chinese product doesn't last long. So I want you to think about this product. How can we replace this product with Indian kind of LEDs in the same kind of amount? 220 volt, and you see the quality, this is just going like this. I don't know what kind of quality is this. That is why it doesn't last for more than a day. People, I don't know why people buy this, because people don't have options.
Yeah.
If you have options, they will not, definitely not gonna buy this kind of product. So we have changed our position so that I can tell you something new and different, which is kind of thing the next product
And
we are
he
talking
is
about.
only focusing on himself. Please turn the
you are
camera a
coming
bit.
for free anyways. So guys, what product we are talking here is construction business. I'm not asking you to bring your stuff howdy koladi and come start doing a construction here. I'm talking about the related product to the construction. For an example, tiles. Tiles is one of the good business. because right now Senegal is developing country. Every day there are new houses people are making here, so you have more opportunity coming. Plus the
And also, like for example, people who know India, you know, mainly construction is happening where? It's happening in Noida, Gurgaon, Ghaziabad, Faridabad.
outskirts.
Outskirts. Similarly, here if you go, you know, it is full of construction.
Seriously.
Yeah.
As I mentioned, tiles. You can think about bathroom fittings. You can think about doors. You can think about locks, and plus you can think about. इतना ही think कर लो, that is enough. So these are the product also you can think, and I recommend you and I promise you, price you can match easily. Chinese से better quality we have, and European kind of standard quality we can match with a better price. And see around you if you have any references, any people, just start getting a pricing, getting a knowledge about it. And any other product if you have in your mind, let us know. We are free anyways.
So guys, another product, great product that you can do is rice. And Sharma ji, what do you say about rice here?
Yeah, rice is, see, Africa, the staple diet is rice.
Senegalese, they eat maximum rice, and it is not the long grain rice.
Senegal, Africa,
Yeah, Africa.
they all eat broken rice, not a basmati rice. Broken rice because of the price. And yes, you can do rice this year. Why this year? Why not earlier? Because last year there was no incentives in export incentives in rice. This year they have export incentives in rice. So if you have any correction, if you know any people around, go a little there. So if you know any people those are into in rice business, you can see opportunity. There is a huge opportunity for you. This year even the Vietnam has purchased a rice from India. Earlier Vietnam was selling a rice to the world. Can you imagine? All are with short of rice, and India is surplus with rice. So it's a good opportunity for you. Price, if I'll tell you, the local shops, they sell at 500 sefa a kilo, which is a 60 rupees a kilo selling rice price. So you can find out any, if you have any opportunity. So guys, thank you for watching our video. Now
No, before, don't close it. Just show them the water.
okay,
Wait. पैर ऊपर कर.
my shoes are better than her shoes.
No, but just look at the water, guys.
And you know, we have so many crocodile inside, so maybe shark and crocodiles.
Okay, so guys, a lot of people have asked us about agriculture. There is an email that we have received, and that person wants to shift his family here, buy a land and start his agriculture for his own use. And that is called permaculture, which I got to know just recently.
No, but I know that from before. I don't know the name, but I want to do that in my life.
I also got to know the name recently. So if you guys are interested in knowing a few more topics, the products that you can do, and also interested in agriculture,
Yeah, that is more important because
absolutely, please stay tuned, like, share and subscribe our videos to all your family, friends and also enemies, because it is going to help us.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.